As a passionate filmmaker, you always get excited for challenging film ideas. And the past weekend was another challenging idea that drives me to collaborate with very talented group who shares the same excitement for filmmaking, and we participated in the 48 Hours Film Project, where you need to write, shoot, edit, and deliver a short film within 48 hours. The 48-hour film project is a challenge where you need to prepare yourself and get ready to shoot a short film 5 to 7 minutes within 48 hours, knowing nothing about the genre or criteria that you're gonna use, which will be revealed before the timer starts for your 48 hours. What was allowed only is to gather the team, cast, production team, and of course try to book or think of as many locations as possible, since you don't know your criteria, so you need to put in consideration all the possibilities. And that's where the excitement was. The challenge started on 7 p.m. on Thursday, and it finished on 7 p.m. on Saturday. This is Advanced Media Studio. Today is a very special day because there are almost 30 teams competing, a 48 hours challenge of making a short film. Today we're gonna have the brief and then we'll kick off this weekend. Hopefully we'll finish by Saturday. So let's get in and see what's going on.
Thriller, suspense, or sports film? Woo! Comedy or buddy film? Drama or fish out of water? Mystery or mockumentary? The prop this year is a light bulb. Character. All right, so character. The character is Kamal or Kayla Al-Khoury, a math genius. Okay? The line of dialogue is, can you hold this for a minute? That's it.
Good morning. you increased it.
We have left our ones.
Yeah, I can hear your voice.
Everything is ready from your side?
I hope so. Yes, everything.
So what did you do?
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Silence, please, guys. Guys, silence, please.
He's not going to.
Do you have any problems, like really we need to stabilize it? Don't shoot me, I'll shoot you. Don't shoot me, I will shoot you.
Nice, and again. My name is Jacques Brown. I'm an independent writer, producer, director.
Hi, my name's Genette Harrison and I'm playing the role of Hazel.
Hi, my name is Yuliana and my character is Alexandra.
Hey, this is Eliane. I'm taking the role of Sasha.
And of course, as usual.
Yes, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Great, how are you?
Very good.
Tell us how many teams so far they submit their
One
films.
and second.
Of course, this is Jack. He's always before me. I try to come before him, but unfortunately I'm not catching up.
Got to be ahead of the game. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Can't be running behind people. You got to lead
Jack,
people.
he's our director for this movie. Tell us, Jack, how was your experience over this 48 hours?
Yeah, it was very enjoyable, very challenging because the genre is not quite my genre, my strength. So I found the genre was very, very challenging. But the competition itself, I think, was okay. I think being an independent filmmaker, you kind of like used to the pressure of all the obstacles, you know. So no, we had a good team. I think we got a good story. We worked very well together. We didn't shoot too much. I think we shot like 10, 11 hours. I managed to get lots of sleep, so I'm not tired.
Great,
I don't feel
great.
under pressure. So yeah, feeling very
That's
confident.
with good script writing and great directing and of course a great team.
And a great DOP.
Yeah. Thank you
Thank you
very
so much.
much. And here is part of the judgment team.
No judgment.
No judgment.
No judgment. We are not judgmental.
Yeah.
No.
This is Serena and this is Mo. How are you?
Good.
How is it? Did you get enough sleep during the
No,
weekend?
no, no.
You don't
No,
sleep
the
usually.
phone,
you
I
said.
mean, the phone was non-stop.
Really?
Non-stop, yeah.
Wow.
Because you have 33 teams,
Mm-hmm.
and they're shooting, you know, in one day basically, because Friday is shoot day,
Yeah.
Saturday is edit day, and the submission is now. So there's a million questions, you
Wow.
know, non-stop. And some of these guys were shooting, you know, late, 2, 3 a.m., you know, and some of them were shooting early,
Yeah.
7 a.m. So you have to be able to answer their questions.
Of course.
So the
Great
phone-
job you did. Great job.
Thank you. Yeah,
I know. I understand. For some of the teams, this is something new. Being able to introduce
many new
like-
teams this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a lot of new faces, more than usually we have a lot of return people.
Mm-hmm.
This year, surprisingly, we had very few people that have done it before. So it'll be interesting to see how the new faces did.
Great. So the competition is very, very strong.
It's tough. It's always a tough competition.
Yeah, it's very strong, and this is challenging, and this is what we love here. All right. So thank you so much,
No, you're welcome.
and
Thank you.
really we appreciate what you did for everybody.
Thank you.
Your hard work, non-sleeping, and thank you.
We're looking forward to the films.
Yeah, sure.
That's when it's
That's-
all worth it. When we get
Yeah.
to see the film.
Thank you so much.
Soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Jack. So now after we submit the movie, what's your feeling about it? How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel confident, positive. Winning the competition is obviously very nice, but it's not the focus. So even when we were shooting and stuff, my focus was never on trying to shoot to win. You know, I was just pushing my limits and my boundaries as a creative person. And then also just pushing my team for better performances, better shots, better lighting. So just using the project to just move up and learn and improve my skills and that of the team. Because very much what we're doing as well with The Haven is all about that. It's about people getting together and improving their skills and making films and enjoying the process together.
Yeah. And you felt that at all the time during the shooting, and how's the team reaction for the directions from you, and how they accepted it in general?
Yeah, everybody had a very positive attitude, a very sort of can-do attitude. Nobody had egos, like we didn't have any problems with people getting angry with each other or fighting about stupid things. So the set had a really great energy, and that's so important, and it just made everything so much enjoyable. And so from the beginning of this competition right up until this point, finishing it, it's just been positive all the way through. You know, it's like everybody's been walking around with big smiles on their faces.
So let's hope that this will get the same impact that we are expecting from everybody after all these shots within 48 hours.
Yeah, cool. I think we've got a nice story. So we'll see you guys on Friday the 1st of November at the screening.
It is very important in such a project to work with the talented people and passionate for filmmaking, which makes everything run smooth, easy, and of course you will feel the positive energy at all the time among the whole crew, which makes everybody enjoying what they're doing, and definitely that will reflect on the outcome. That's it from my side today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll receive a notification whenever I release a new video. And always remember, let your camera tell your moments. Thank you very much and see you next time.